Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get and play repo on Mac. First, we have to do is visit this website link is provided in the description. Once you are here, scroll down, enter a name and enter email address here. Then click download, trial now, and crossover APK start downloading. Once crossover is downloaded, just open it and click try now, and it will get you to this page. Now click on search box and type Steam, open it and click install. When installation is completed, this window will pop up. Now sign in here with Steam ID. Once you are here, click on search box and type repo, and here you will find repo game. Click on it to open this game. It's not free, we have to pay this amount for it. Click on continue to payment and it will take you to this billing page. Enter your card details and buy the game. After that, you can enjoy this trending game on your Mac. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.